out the big one and just hit it?
It's almost done.
It's working way better for him, dude. For us, I had to get out the big boy.
Oh yeah, yeah, to get the seal.
Well, luckily I held it on there just perfect, and like he's like, hurry up, push it on the dolly. Well, just hurry up and push it. Yeah, I was like, okay.
Yeah, I wish I could have just watched this episode.
Oh, this was fucking dude. There was another person involved, and Wally. This, yeah. All right, you ready?
Yeah, we'll give it a try.
And then run for your life, and we'll throw it after.
15 pounds in it, so we'll see what it does.
Ah! Let's go, Mustang up. Oh, bro, I'm rolling the window. Rolling the window down. Damn. Hopefully no bees go for me. Oh. Yeah, right? How do I unlock that sucker?
Put your foot on the brake, and then move it. Oh, it's because you're in. Yeah, you gotta put it in.
No, I mean, oh.
Put it back in park. There you go. It should let you push the button.
Oh.
I think the button's just bad. You gotta do it at the same time. Here, I'll turn it. There you go.
Yeah, but this is locked. Oh. What was that?
Now just make sure it's in neutral.
Is it neutral? It's locked. The steering's locked.
Turn the wheel. Turn the wheel.
Hold on. How do you unlock it? Are you good there?
He needs to go a little further back.
Okay. How do you unlock the...
Put it in park. Put it in park. Now turn the wheel and turn the key.
You have to come in with me. How the hell did you do it? Oh, that... Nuh-uh. Okay. Thank you. Wrong key! Wrong key!
Got your brake on?
Nope.
Okay, I gotta unhook you.
Oh.
I can put mine in neutral too.
Is it gonna pop off or do I have to push?
Oh, it'll pop off. But you just go ahead and get in. All right. Okay. Hold the
Ready?
brake.
I'm rolling?
No, hold the brake.
Hold the brake. Hold the brake. Full speed ahead.
Look at this, how the handle's set up and stuff, dude. Come on. People talk crap about these? I don't know why. Oh, they can't get... Oh shit, the key's stuck.
Push the button.
Oh shit. Better not have videotaped that.
No, not at all. Not at all.
Okay. It's here, dude. Thank you, Mr. Gallican.